Welcome to the top best. The best smart light strip is probably one of the most versatile and fun ways to add ambience and personality to any room, transforming your living space with millions of colors and dynamic lighting effects that can be controlled right from your smartphone or voice assistant, making it an ideal choice for gamers, movie buffs, or anyone looking to elevate their home decor with a touch of smart technology and personalized lighting. Number 5. Kasa Smart Dimmer Switch HS220p 3-pack. Introducing the Kasa Smart Dimmer Switch, a 3-pack solution for effortless lighting control. It offers seamless integration into your smart home. Setting up is a breeze with our intuitive app, guiding you every step of the way. Just follow the on-screen instructions for a quick and easy installation. Enjoy full control over your lighting, from 0% to 100% brightness, with customizable schedules. Wake up gently or set the perfect mood for any occasion. Experience the ultimate convenience of hands-free control. Simply use your voice with Alexa or Google Assistant to manage your lights. Never worry about leaving lights on again. Monitor and control your home's lighting from anywhere in the world using your smartphone. Get started right away without any extra hardware. It connects directly to your existing 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, simplifying your smart home setup. What we like. This dimmer switch offers effortless setup with app guidance. You can adjust brightness from 0 to 100% and control it with your voice. If you're looking for a way to easily manage your home's lighting ambience and enjoy hands-free control, this is a great option for creating the perfect mood. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the brightness is adjustable, making it perfect for setting the mood in any room. Easy to set up and connect to Wi-Fi, the app provides a lot of customization options for colors and effects. The strip is flexible and can be easily cut to size, allowing for a seamless installation around corners and furniture. Number 4. Kasa Smart 3-Way Switch HS210KIT. Introducing the Kasa Smart 3-Way Switch HS210KIT. It offers app-guided installation, making setup a breeze. Just follow the simple steps in the Kasa or Tepo app. Control your lights from one or two locations. This versatile switch replaces your traditional 3-way setup, perfect for staircases or garages. Manage your lights remotely using the Kasa or Tepo app. Whether you're at home, work, or on vacation, you're always in control. Enjoy the convenience of voice control. It works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant for effortless hands-free operation. Set schedules to automatically turn lights on or off. You can even enable away mode for added security when you're not home. Designed and developed in Silicon Valley, it's trusted by millions. UL certified for safety, you can rely on its performance. What we like. This smart switch is designed for flexibility, working as either a 3-way or a single-pole switch. It allows control from anywhere and offers scheduling features. If you need to control lights from multiple locations, like at the top and bottom of stairs, or want to automate your lighting for convenience and security, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the brightness is adjustable, making it perfect for setting the mood in any room. Easy to set up and connect to Wi-Fi, the app offers a lot of customization options for colors and effects. The strip is flexible and can be easily cut to size, allowing for a seamless installation around corners and furniture. Number 3. TESSAN Wi-Fi Flat Plug Smart Power Strip. Introducing the TESSAN Wi-Fi Flat Plug Smart Power Strip, designed to bring convenience and control to your home. Effortlessly manage your devices with smart technology. Enjoy hands-free operation by connecting it to Alexa or Google Home. You can name each outlet and control your devices using simple voice commands, making life easier. With the Smart Life app and a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, you can monitor and control your plugged-in devices from anywhere. Never worry about leaving appliances on again. Set schedules and timers for your devices to automate their operation. This feature helps save energy and reduce electricity bills, perfect for lamps, humidifiers, and more. This power strip features wall-mountable design with keyholes on the back. It can be easily installed on workbenches, walls, or under counters, fitting perfectly into any space. It offers 3 smart outlets, 3 always-on outlets, and 3 USB ports for charging. Built with fireproof materials and surge protection, it ensures your equipment is safe and secure. What we like. This power strip provides a versatile 9-in-1 solution with multiple smart outlets and USB ports. It's wall-mountable and offers voice and app control. If you need to power and control multiple devices simultaneously, manage your electronics remotely, and keep your space tidy with a wall-mounted setup, this is the perfect power solution. What people say. The light strip is easy to set up and connect to Wi-Fi. The colors are vibrant and the brightness is adjustable. It works well with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Number 2. TESSAN Smart Power Strip with 6 outlets and 3 USB. Introducing the TESSAN Smart Power Strip, a versatile solution to power all your devices. It features 6 outlets and 3 USB ports, with a thoughtful design that prevents blocking. Take control of your connected devices with ease. This smart outlet extender is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for convenient voice commands to turn devices on or off. Manage your devices remotely using the Smart Life app. Whether you're at home or away, you can control the 3 smart outlets individually or all at once. Set schedules for your devices to turn on or off automatically at specific times. This feature helps save energy by ensuring devices are only powered when needed. Utilize the countdown timer and sunrise-sunset settings for added energy efficiency. Built with safe and reliable materials, it's FCC and UL certified for your peace of mind. Easily share access to the smart outlets with your family through the Smart Life app. Enjoy a smarter home together, all controlled conveniently from your phone. What we like. This smart power strip offers an extensive 6 smart outlets and 3 USB ports, along with group control capabilities. It's compatible with voice assistants and offers remote app control. If you have many devices to manage and want the convenience of controlling them individually or as a group, this is an excellent choice for a busy household or office. What people say. The light strip is easy to set up and connect to Wi-Fi. The colors are vibrant and can be customized to your preference. The app allows for scheduling and control of the lights remotely. Number 1. Kasa Smart LED Light Strip KL420L5. Transform any space with this versatile smart LED light strip. Measuring 16.4 feet, it's perfect for adding beautiful accent lighting to kitchens, bedrooms, and any room in your home. Create a fully customized LED experience with 50 programmable color zones. Choose from dozens of preset animated effects, like raindrop or rainbow, to instantly change the mood of your space. This durable light strip features a protective PU coating for moisture and dust resistance, making it ideal for kitchens. It's also cuttable to your desired length and easily adheres to surfaces like TVs, cabinets, and bed frames. Seamlessly integrated with other Kasa smart devices. Group them for one-touch control or set up smart actions, like having your lights turn on when motion is detected by your Kasa camera. Control your smart light strip from anywhere using the Kasa app or your favorite voice assistant, including Alexa, Google Assistant, and SmartThings. Enjoy a truly hands-free experience with simple voice commands. Choose from 16 million vibrant colors and adjust brightness from 1% to 100% to match any mood. Schedule your lights to turn on when you wake up or dim as you wind down at night for seamless integration into your daily routine. What we like. This LED light strip features 50 customizable color zones for dynamic lighting effects and has a protective PU coating for durability. It's also trimmable to fit your space perfectly. If you love to create immersive atmospheres with vibrant, animated lighting and want a flexible, long-lasting solution for accent lighting in any room, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The light strip is easy to set up and connect to Wi-Fi. The colors are vibrant and the brightness is adjustable. The app allows for a lot of customization, including scheduling and scene creation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.